Alexei, product manager at Broken Build, and today I'm going to show you how to read Burnup Chart for Kanban boards and for JQL filters. They are working in the same way. They are dealing with intervals, and in both cases, if you're using Kanban boards or JQL filters as a data source, you will see this green line which shows you the burn up and the end of particular interval, and this number is cumulative. So at the end of the next period you will see the bigger number. You can click on the value on the graph and see the detailed report of issues which were completed during this interval. Also, you have this vertical line which reflects the remaining work, the work to be done for the team, for the project. And also you have these three lines of forecast. They are calculated and plotted on the chart based on analyzing three previous intervals. You can set the number of intervals to analyze in the chart settings. So in my case I have the optimistic scenario with maximum velocity of the previous three sprints, the average scenario, and pessimistic one, which is based on the less successful interval. Also you can see the projection of these forecast lines. They are showing you the complete date when the work can be completed with this scenario. Also, you can add your own scenario on the graph. You can put the velocity and the field, and the date will be calculated automatically. So you see that the slightly more bigger velocity won't give us the big advantage in terms of the time, completion time. So we can put here the date, and the velocity will be calculated automatically. So you can see that if you have the target to finish all work at the specific date, you have to maintain the velocity near the average rate for 3 weeks. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Other topics you can find in the tutorial section in Agile Reports page.